Hi everybody again, Dr. Jonathan Abinheim. I want to introduce you to my treatment coordinator.
Stephanie Curcio. Hi.
This is the person you will meet when you come in so that we can change your life. So today what we're going to be talking about is people come into our office, they sort of get nervous, they're not sure what to expect, but we really want to make your experience perfect. We want you to experience something like no other. One of the goals when I became a dentist was I really want to change people's perception of what dentistry is all about. So in this video, we're going to talk to you about sort of our philosophies and what we can do and what we do to make sure that you have a great experience.
Absolutely. Hi. So Dr. Jonathan, what drives you to change the lives of people who you feel they don't deserve it?
Yeah, so when we say that we think people don't deserve it, a lot of people feel that, status quo, maybe a broken tooth, a discolored tooth, a missing tooth, is sort of like, I don't care, I'm all right. But truly, people really do care. I think that we see a lot of people, even from a little chip on their tooth, from maybe even missing a tooth that's all the way in the back that people really can't see. Deep down inside, it really bothers them that they don't have it. And when we are able to help those people may say, it's just teeth, it's no big deal. But we see it firsthand when we're able to help those people from the little thing that may not be important to you, but it's important to somebody else. When you come in and you know this is the place for you to go and for you to be and for us to treat you, we're there to help you fix that problem that you may have.
That we say here that you taught me, and you say it all the time, is we treat people. We don't just treat your smile. What does that mean?
Yeah, so, in the past when you used to go to the dentist used to say, open wide. They looked at your mouth. They didn't look at your eyes. They didn't look at your emotion. They didn't look at your body language. They didn't look at anything. All they did was they zeroed in, tunnel vision. Let's fix that one tooth. Fix that tooth and let's get out. We have a saying, drill, fill, bill. So really when I became a dentist, that was the last thing I really wanted to do. What I wanted to do is I wanted to look in your eyes. I wanted to look at your body language. I wanted to look at the way that your experience was in our office. If you felt uncomfortable, let's stop for a second. Let's talk about it. Let's see what can I do to make you feel comfortable in our practice so that the dentistry is a piece of cake. Because dentistry really is easy. It's a fear of money, a fear of trust, a fear of time. It's really not the dentistry that people are afraid of. They may say that really that's what they're afraid of, but today's dentistry has changed so much that we have technologies that really change things. Some people, they're afraid of getting a needle. We have the ability to numb you before with even maybe a nasal spray. We'll numb your whole mouth and you don't even need to have anesthesia done. We have, the needles are much smaller, they don't hurt as much anymore. People that don't like molds, we can use computers to take pictures of their teeth. But truly, before all of that comes, is really to see what is it that's stopping them. Do they have a bad experience from the past? Is there something that's really affecting them? Once we're able to zero in on that and fix that for the patient, for us it's truly unbelievable because we see the patient really change.
What do you have to say to the patient who just cannot literally bring themselves to walk through the door?
I can tell you that you deserve it. You will not look back. When we have the ability to really give you that smile back, it's going to change your life. I would say, there's a statistic that says that 85% of the patients that get major dentistry done within 6 months have a major life-changing positive effect in their lives. So who would think just teeth? I can tell you in our practice, probably 100% of those patients that get life-changing dentistry, truly, their lives change. We see their swagger change, their hair changes, the way they smile, the way they walk, everything. And it's for us to be part of that is truly so rewarding. Who would have thought by just changing somebody's smile, we're really able to do that?
It's definitely a blessing for sure. How do we here at Jonathan Dental Spa, set the patient experience apart from other dental practices?
Yeah, so one of the things our philosophy is that before I, the doctor, actually fix your mouth, we want you to meet every single person that's part of our team. For us, I'm not alone. I can't do what I do by myself. So they're able to meet somebody like you, right? To be able to sit down with them, to listen to what their needs are. Sometimes if there's a financial block, you're able to make it work for them with financing. We want to make sure they meet our hygienist, who's going to be maintaining the work for the rest of their lives. Our dental assistant, who will always be there to hold their hand. And truly, for us, is we're welcoming them into our home. And you would never go to your friend's house and they slam the door in your face. You would probably never go back. So for us, it's as if we're welcoming you into our home. We don't want you to be rude, and we don't want to be rude to you. We want to try and do the best for you and really welcome you into our family.
Well, from a patient perspective, would you say you feel that you can literally create the desired outcome of what a person wants for their smile?
So I truly believe that if there's a will, there's a way. One of the most important things for us is that first visit, the initial consultation. I want to learn what you see as beauty. I want to learn what you see as holding you back from what you want to do. And if I truly think that I'm able to do that for them, I'll do the case. Or else, if we don't think that we're on the same page together, we won't even start the case. We don't want to take your time. We don't want to take your money. We don't want to take your effort. We truly want to help people, and we want to have great success. So as long as people's expectations are correct, people are excited to do this. One of the things I would say, when you come into the office, come in with a smile. Because when you come in with a smile, everybody else is smiling around you. And probably in life is the same thing.
Well, thank you so much, and it was a pleasure.
Yes,
And
I will ask you a question. So as you're the treatment coordinator, you spend time with a lot of people. What would you tell people that actually, when you see them walk out and you see them from the start of their treatment to the end of their treatment, for when they actually ring that smile bell and they're healthy, what would you say is the number one thing that people say to you when they leave?
I wish I did this sooner.
I wish I did this sooner.
I wish I had come to see Dr. Jonathan before going to all of these other providers, and not only wasting my time and my effort, but my finances and my investment, to my happiness and my health and my mouth. That's
Sweet.
for sure.
Well, I just hope they just say thank you to me. So until next time, thank you so much.
Bye.